Want to upgrade your Elementor Pro subscription? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can unlock even more design power and features. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Now, start by opening your browser and heading over to the official Elementor website, elementor.com. Log in to your account using your current credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen, click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Subscriptions. Here, you'll be able to see your current active Elementor Pro plan. If you're ready to level up, you'll notice an Upgrade button right next to your plan. Click on it, and you'll be shown the next available plan. This will be considered an upgrade from your existing one. Now, just click on the Upgrade Now button to confirm. And that's it. Your new plan will be activated instantly, giving you access to all the extra features that come with it. Let's build something amazing. It helps you make website design fun and easy. Tap the affiliate link below and get started in no time. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next one.